Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming your Mac supports Touch ID and that Mac OS is current. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, open System Settings and go to Touch ID and Password. You may be asked for your admin password, so have it ready. Now, choose Add Fingerprint and rest your finger lightly on the sensor. Do not press hard. Repeat lifts when prompted to capture different angles. This initial capture is critical, so the sensor learns your fingerprint geometry accurately. Continue by following the on-screen prompts methodically. You will lift and reposition your finger repeatedly so the sensor records both pad and edge details. Make sure to rotate slightly as instructed. Capturing multiple contact points improves recognition when you touch the sensor at different angles. After the scan's complete, give the fingerprint a clear name so you can manage it later. Then enable the functions you want, unlock, Apple Pay, and autofill passwords, so Touch ID integrates with your daily workflows immediately. Finish by testing Touch ID, unlock the Mac, authorize a payment, and try a password autofill. If recognition fails repeatedly, remove and re-add the fingerprint. Sometimes a fresh enrollment fixes edge case scans. Make sure both the sensor and your finger are clean and dry. Oils and moisture reduce reliability. If problems persist, try a different finger and confirm no case or keyboard cover interferes. Always keep a strong passcode enabled as a backup in case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.